Serena Jeffrey. I am from Coastal Community Credit Union, Assistant Manager Technical Support, and we've been using CASE for about 8 or 10 so years.
And I'm Michelle Ashby. I'm also with Coastal Community Credit Union. I've been using CASE for about 5 years, but been doing it with Coastal for the past 2.5-ish. The SDA helps me to automate. Because we're a financial institution, we have a lot of specialized software that needs a lot of specialized configuration. So with the SDA and with post-installation tasks, I'm able to update things super simple and just do a new gold image and get new images out so much quicker than I would be able to with any other product.
The automation, the ease, the ease of it, and how the different products that you can, and different features that you can have with just the 2 different products.
I think CASE has really helped us achieve endpoint management through device discovery that it has built in, as well as applying labels to different devices and ensuring that those devices get the software configurations through software records, and it helps us do a lot of things in a single place rather than scattered across a bunch of different locations, which is actually a lot more empowering to make sure that it's being done right. I save tons of time. I would say upwards of a day a week that I would otherwise be chasing different software installs or different where devices are, or so yeah, maybe 6 to 8 hours a week. Definitely scripting is one of my favorite parts, to be able to incorporate it within my asset management and easily deploy scripts to achieve different things, custom inventory rules. I like playing in all that stuff, and it makes my life a lot easier, and it's fun too.
Right now it's just CASE. Here you go here, which makes it the training a lot easier for new employees.
I do all of my server patching using the CASE security section. I would be scheduling for this weekend all of my different OS updates through CASE that I otherwise had to log on to over 100 servers and do each server one at a time. Now I can just deploy it through CASE and just check my report at the end to make sure it all went out well. So it's helped incredibly with that process for me.